What's up, guys? So we're back with another video. We're finally gonna touch the 92 OBS again. I think we left off on part of the interior, door handles in, mirror. I'm still undecisive of using the 454 mirrors or going with the 96 and up bigger mirrors. Oh, check it out, guys. So these are the mirrors. Still don't know what route to go with, but let me show you. So this is everything that has to go back into the actual truck. I don't even know where to start, but new wheel opening molding chrome. We have brand new moldings for the sides. I ended up getting them from Route LA. They're a lot nicer, high quality, almost original. I ended up getting the ones with the actual bow tie and the 1500. Brand new caps. I ended up getting a hold of the seller, so he ended up giving me the beauty ring. I tried to look for some, and they were basically like this, just round. One of my buddy actually pointed out it actually looks a lot nicer with the like a little 3-step lip. Let's see, we have brand new tail lights. I ended up going with the clear headlights. They're also brand new. I'm gonna end up dropping the nitro drop 2 shocks all around. Grill, we have a brand new grill, new balance, new bumper. This is the other option I was thinking of, was the 454 grill, just color matched it, but I think I'm gonna go with the chrome and like a charcoal gray insert. Door panels, I think I'll stick with those. I think it's gonna look nice once it's fully put back. So I did get one of my buddies to come out here and help me out on his spare time to try to black out the engine bay. We ended up doing a Rust-Oleum finish on it. I'm not a big fan of it. I think I used another product called Chassis Black, and it just gives it a nicer look than this, but can't complain. It looks a lot better than the white. I have to paint the filler before I can start putting the bumper and the grill and the lights in, so I might be doing that today. Actually, I'll probably just spray them out here. It's not a big thing, so I'll do that, and then I can come back with like a trim black, just to trim black all of the white axis that was left over. But check it out, guys. That's what's going on today. These are pretty much primers, so we're gonna sand them down, spray them, and we can start bolting them down to the truck. So I just get a 36, cover the Suburban. Let me see if I can find where you go with this. I'm not gonna be creating too much overspray, but it does get everywhere. That should be enough to cover those. So I'm gonna bring in my paint and start spraying. We're not trying to go for an appearance, like I said. You hardly see this part in the truck, so I'm not trying to. As long as they have color and a little bit of clear, we should be okay. So this is actually interesting. This bow tie is actually from my high school truck, the one I'm gonna build. Unfortunately, I think this truck is gonna take it. This is the color I painted my truck, and it was back in like 08, 09. Everybody was color matching everything, so I color matched the bow tie to it. I'm taking a sandpaper to it, and you can still see the original gold. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sand it with the finer grit, and then I'm gonna clear it. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go outside, I'm gonna sand it down, and then I'll bring it back in. So once we clear these parts, then we can go ahead some lights, some corner lights for the front grill. So stay tuned for that too. So this is after stripping it. It looks dull right now, so after I put the clear coat, it should gloss back up fairly nice. So I didn't even know it was this color. Like I said, back in 08, everybody was color matching, and I was one of those persons that color matched everything, bumpers, grill, and this was one of the things I color matched. But check it out, guys. I don't have to buy a new bow tie, so I'll keep on basing this. After this is already covered, then I'll clear everything down with the lights too. So this is the stuff that I'm gonna be re-clearing. Basically, just the front balance and two fender extensions, and then I'm just gonna re-clear the lights. I didn't get corner lights, and then the bow tie we were talking about. So while the paint is drying and the fillers are gonna dry, we're gonna end up putting the headlights and the bottom lights. I had to go find some bulbs. The lights didn't come with any. I was missing an LED. I have one, so I'm gonna try to see if it fits. If not, then I'm just gonna go back with the regular bulbs. Let's check it out, guys. So they're pretty much dry to the touch. We can start assembling the grill. Let's get those out of the booth. And the fillers, they're pretty much dry. So we can go ahead and install them so we can put our front bumper. Hopefully we can get the whole front end installed. So stay tuned, guys. So I ended up getting the lights to work. I ended up putting the grill first, not realizing that I had to put the bumper. So I'm gonna build a bumper. I did go with the aftermarket bumper, brand new. Put you guys on the tripod. The kit does come with these. For some reason, I don't have the clips that hold the lower balance, so I'm gonna have to rig something up. Basically. So you recording? I'm recording, Joe. I'm recording. So estoy hablando, ¿no? What? No. This is what holds the bumper, and then you can use this with the hammer to slide it in. We're gonna put the bumper around. Alright guys, so bumper is pretty much done. Now we can put the grill, like I mentioned before, I put the grill before and then the bumper, and it's vice versa, so I was getting a little anxious. Gonna be a nice truck. So let's disconnect the cables. Just to get a better idea. You can see, looks very nice. That thing's too low, so I might have to raise it a tiny bit up. Maybe get bigger size tires, but check it out, guys. Ain't that nice?